friends, welcome to my channel. This is the best place for those who have interest in business and wealth creation. Today we are going to looking at how to generate your own WhatsApp link and also how to put it in your Instagram bio. I hope you are using WhatsApp for business. WhatsApp builds relationship between you and your customer, unlike the Instagram, that there are a lot of people doing the same thing you are doing. With WhatsApp, the competition is a bit low, and also WhatsApp for business enable you display your products on the WhatsApp catalog. Actually, it has a lot of benefits. So now let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is to go on your phone notes and type WEA dots ME/ then your country code is very important. I'm in Ghana, so 233. Then I'll enter my phone number, that's my WhatsApp number, and that'll be it. All I need to do now is to select and copy. You can either decide to cut or copy, but I decide to cut. Then after that, to try sending it to someone, what I did was that with this particular thing, I decided to send it straight to Instagram, but Instagram said the link was blah blah blah. So I think this is the best and easiest way that you'll be able to do. So you copy the link, then you go straight to Instagram. When you go on Instagram, the next thing is to go to profile, that's edit profile. Then you paste the link there. So you see that you go to website, the website option, and paste the link. If you put it in your bio description, it wouldn't come. So put it in the website and then press done. So when you're done, let's try and see whether it would take us to my WhatsApp. So that is it. So that is it for today's video. Be expecting more videos on WhatsApp. The next videos that will be coming up, we'll be looking at how to monetize your WhatsApp. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.